Hello viewers, welcome to my channels Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Today the quotes of children. Children represent the future. Encourage, support and guide them. My children have always been great inspiration for me and great teacher and keep me very close to the guide, ground and very humble. As a parents, you must increase civilization skill in your children so that they will feel motivated enough to mingle with others. I believe adults and parents who not who do not get involved in children's life effectively forfeit any right to attempt in influence their lives. It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. Kids are kids the world around. No matter what, if you give them a saucer ball, a deck of cards, or anything, and if you close your eyes, you would never know where you were from the sound of it. It's just incredible to hear them laughing. I know that what I am getting is far more than anything I possibly can give them. Indeed, the world's children are being grown into now is in many ways and mostly different from the area in which we were raising our children. I understood once I held a baby in my arms why some people keep having them, and most importantly, I know that we need to directly teach our children the most vital lesson rather than assume that they will be understood. We are children of a large family and must learn as much children do, not to expect that our little hearts will be made much of, to be content with little nature and crazy and help each others the more. It is not what you do for your children, but what you have taught them to do for themselves that will make them successful human being. Too much love never spoils children. Children become spoiled when we substitute parents for presents. Always kiss your children good night, even if they are already asleep. Family dinner are the one activity found to foster the greatest child development. Kids sometimes have a problem listening but never a problem copying. Maybe